Hey, welcome back. So today we're going winter camping. I dusted off the roof of the trailer, got myself a shovel, and Luke from Overland North, one of the managing partners of Overland North, is coming out for the adventure as well. And then I also got Echo. It's minus like 16 right now. I hope it gets a little bit warmer. We're hoping to do some ice fishing and some winter camping. About to hit the road here, and stay tuned. He's got it. Uh-oh. Put her in sport mode. Hey, we're at the spot. I think the snow is a little bit deeper than we expected. Someone's been here, which is nice. The snow is nice and packed down, but it definitely needs some momentum to get in. Oh, we're in now. Whew, it's a little deep. I might have some trouble with the trailer, I think. Okay, Luke is kind of in there. He managed to break a trail, lots of shoveling, and now I'm gonna try to get in there with the truck and trailer and see how this goes. You nervous, Echo? Hey? Trailer made it, thanks to Luke's trail making abilities.
Oh, truck, no driver. Cheers.
Cheers, man. I'm all set up. Bed made. What'd you say there's about? I'd say there's a good 2 feet of snow. Like, yeah, like on top of the grade, finished grade.
Yeah, I think so.
It's just not strong enough to support the vehicle, so it kind of sinks. Put the beer in the cooler. Right here.
Right there? Oh yeah, that would be picturesque, eh?
Picturesque.
Oh yeah. And our brand new shovel is so new it still has a sticker.
Yeah, we picked that up on the way here and it's already paid itself off because without it I don't think we'd be in here. Time to make a fire.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. One lighter fire.
That's what I try to do. It's all in the prep work. It's nice and dry though, at least. Come here. Come here. Come here. Up. Good girl. Butter, onion.
Here we have some top sirloin. Oh, they're sirloin. They're sirloin steaks here.
Nice.
Oh, dude. This is honestly like the best meal.
Oh, we're in the camper now, getting nice and cozy, ready for the night. Got the heater running on high, changed down to my sleeping clothes. Dog's nice and comfortable. And got my clothes hanging out on the wall to dry. And so, yeah, kind of in here for the evening, and maybe tomorrow morning we'll do some ice fishing. Do some ice fishing? Yeah. Wow. Oh, good morning. That was comfortable. Actually, it was quite warm, and I really had to keep the roof vent open all night and the fan actually running. And the heater's been running for 9 hours and 41 minutes. Hasn't skipped a beat. Cool. I think dog wants to go outside now. Want to go outside, Gertie?
Hey, man.
Morning.
Good morning to you.
How was your...
So good.
You're good?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
It was like toasty. Actually,
Awesome.
I think I was too hot.
Yeah?
It was too hot.
I actually had the same issue. I ended up having to open up my roof vent and basically run the fan all night to like take that excess heat out.
Yeah.
But I got it figured out, so it's like 19 degrees in there.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah, no, that was a beautiful evening. Nice. You want to go fishing?
Yeah, sure, let's go.
Make some coffee. And Rocco's going down on the lake. Hey, where are you going, dog? Come on, let's go. Yeah, pull. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, come on. Come on.
Yeah, no,
It's too heavy?
I'm not a husky.
You're not a husky.
they're right at the bottom?
Pretty much, yeah. Like they'll come up from bottom, but if you're about a foot off.
I just got a...
You got a little hit?
I got a little hit there.
I wonder if I should switch you up to something a little bit smaller.
Like it'd be yellow bellies in here, you know? Perch?
Perch, yeah. Perch. Says there's walleye and pike. Pickerel would be great.
That is the best fish.
Yep. Do you know that the term pickerel is actually used incorrectly?
Why?
Because pickerel is actually a pike.
It is?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. And the pickerel is actually a French pike. Like it's got different markings than the northern pike. French people, when they, I guess, immigrated here, they started calling walleye pickerel.
Yeah.
And I still call them pickerel.
Yeah, so do I.
But they're actually, yeah, walleye. Pickerel's a whole different species. The more you know. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Fish weren't biting, so we're packing up. We're gonna head out. Lots of marks, but just not feeding.
No bueno.
No bueno. Time to break down camp and get out of here. Can't say backing up through this was easy, but we made it out. We're on our way home now. Great evening, doing some winter camping. Make sure to check out Overland North for the chill out that is happening. When is it happening?
I think it's Feb 9 and 10.
The chill out, winter camping. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. That was fun. I think Echo enjoyed her time winter camping, so did I, and I hope that Luke did as well. And yeah, thanks for watching, stay tuned.